Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to refurbish this 20-year-old bed and I'm going to show you how I take it from this to this. One of the major reasons for refurbishing this bed was that the client wanted the bed to look more modern. So I'm going to change the 4 legs and I'm going to lower the height of the bed. Now I'm just removing the piece of wood that is near to the legs so that when I'm ready to remove them, I can get easy access. So these are the 4 new legs. I spray painted them in white and I removed one of the old leg off camera. So this is it, guys. It was very technical to remove because the nails were all rusted and they broke in the wood. Remember, it's a 20-year-old bed, so I was expecting that. So now I'm replacing the new leg. I'm just using the clamp to hold the new leg in place. So I must say that to replace these legs, it's pretty simple. I'm just screwing it in now. The hardest part was really to remove them. Most repair jobs, they can be very technical. So now that I've added all the 4 new legs, I'm now adding back the Solitex to the top of the bed. Now I'm covering the bed with a 1/4-inch sponge, so I'm adding the sponge around the base and I'm gonna add it on top of the base. So now I'm adding the sponge on top of the base. It is recommended that you add a layer of sponge on top of the base. As you can see in the initial part of the video, there was no sponge on top. And I don't want the client to tear a brand new mattress. So I am just adding this sponge on top of the base. So now I'm adding the fabric, guys. Earlier I went on the machine and I sewed the fabric to the desired measurement of the bed. And now I'm adding it. You can add batting if you prefer. This fabric is thick enough. It's like a double layered fabric, so I didn't need any batting. So I just went ahead and just, add the fabric. So now I'm doing the upholstering of the fabric on the base. Now I'm adding the lining on top, and guys, I would recommend that you line underneath your bed as well. I think every bed need a dust cap. That's where all the dust stored. As you can see earlier in the video, this bed did not have a dust cap and there was a lot of dust on the wood, a lot of dust acquired over the years, and if there was a dust cap, that could cut down the amount of dust that is stored underneath the bed. So I'm gonna add a dust cap on this as well. So guys, the bed is finished now. I'm so sorry. The clip when I was adding the dust cap underneath the bed, I did not remember to film that clip, guys. The bed was so heavy and it was like sort of stressing me out. It was so heavy. So I just kept working, and guess what, guys? Sometimes when I'm working, I don't even remember that I'm in the camera. I don't remember. I'm not the one doing the filming, so I don't remember anything. That is why I do a lot of voiceovers, because I'm just working, guys, and I'm not thinking about the camera. So I'm so sorry about that. So what I did was to add the same black lining that is on top of the base. I just add it underneath the bed. I think the upholstering turned out absolutely beautiful. I was impressed. The bed is made from guango wood and it looks pretty sturdy, and with me giving it this enhanced look, I think it might last another 20 years if the wood don't rot. So in the next clip, I'm going to show you how the base of the bed looks with the headboard inside of the room. This is it, guys. The base is matching the headboard. I used a suede fabric. If you'd like to see how I created this headboard, it will be linked in the description down below. And if you want me to upholster your bed base, you can contact me. All information will be linked down below. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and if you like the video, don't leave without pressing the thumbs up button. And if you're new around here, you may want to consider subscribing for more fun, exciting and interesting content. Bye. I'll see you in the next one.